I hadn't tasted rhubarb until I'd met my wife and she made me a dish with it. Not only is it a staple for Sunday night dessert when it's in season, but it's also in my garden as they are a perennial plant, meaning that they will grow back year after year. So how do you grow them? Rhubarb is best grown from crowns, which can be purchased from all good nurseries at late winter, early spring. In some cases, you will find established pots like this one, which you can transplant into your garden. Rhubarb like rich soil, so it's worth digging through some compost and aged manure before planting. Once planted, keep the water up to them and make sure that they don't dry out. Make sure they're in full sun and that the garden bed drains well, as the crowns have been known to rot if too damp. To harvest them, pull off the stems rather than cutting them. Don't eat the leaves, as these are poisonous, and for the same reason, don't feed them to your chooks. Here's a tip. Don't overpick in the first year, as it's all about allowing the crown to become well established. Overall, rhubarb is an excellent edible plant to include in your garden, as it not only tastes good, but it looks good too.